guys, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome to my channel. According to the Federal Reserve's 2022 Survey of Consumer Finances, which is the latest available data, only 54.4% of families have retirement accounts. This also means that nearly half of Americans are not saving for their retirement. Many financial experts suggest saving somewhere between 10 to 20% of your income for retirement, but that's not always feasible and it's not always happening. Based on data from that same survey, the average retirement savings for all families is $333,940. With that said though, averages can be somewhat misleading, with the overachievers raising the averages for a lot of people, or the ones with just no savings lowering the average. The median savings amount offers a truer, more realistic representation of people's actual savings. So the purpose of this video is to show you what the average and median savings is by certain age groups to see how you compare. My goal with this video and with every video that I make is to give you more knowledge and insight than you had before you began watching it. If I can do that, I ask that you hit that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel if you're wanting to grow your wealth. It will also allow this video to reach a wider audience and help even more people. I also think that the greatest compliment that I can receive is for people to subscribe to my channel. Thank you in advance for doing that. Now let's get started. Age group, under 35. Average savings, $49,130. Median savings, $18,880. According to the Survey of Consumer Finances, almost half of families led by someone under age 35 have retirement accounts like IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, and thrift savings plans. This is a good start for young people who are planning for their future. If you are under 35 and don't have a retirement account yet, it's not too late to start. You still have 30 to 40 years of investing opportunities, but don't take that for granted. By opening a Roth IRA or joining your employer's 401k retirement plan can help you save for the future. Even small contributions can grow over time. Saving for retirement early gives your money more time to grow due to the power of compound interest. Try to save a little bit from each paycheck. If your employer offers a match for your 401k contributions, make sure to take full advantage of that. This is free money that can really help boost your savings. Age group, 35 to 44. Average savings, $141,520. Median savings, $45,000. The data shows that nearly 62% of households led by someone in this age range have retirement accounts. These households have higher average and median retirement savings compared to those under age 35. This indicates that as people age, they tend to accumulate more in their retirement funds, which is a positive trend for future financial security. If you fall into this age group though and don't have a retirement account, now is an excellent time to start. There are several options to consider, such as 401ks, Roth IRAs, and even traditional IRAs. It's important to balance saving for retirement with other financial needs. Try to set aside a small amount each month for your IRA or 401k. Automating your contributions can make this process much simpler, ensuring that a portion of your paycheck goes directly into your retirement account before you even have a chance to spend it. Additionally, consider diversifying your investments within these accounts. This can include a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, which can also help manage risk and potentially increase returns over time. By steadily contributing and making informed investment choices, you can build a solid retirement fund while still managing your day-to-day expenses. Age group, 45 to 54. Average savings, $313,220. Median savings, $115,000. Roughly 62% of households led by someone age 45 to 54 have retirement savings according to the survey. This means that more than half of people in this age group are preparing for their future. For most, these are your peak earning years. Therefore, at this age, it's crucial to focus on saving as much as possible for retirement. Try to contribute the maximum amount allowed to your retirement accounts. Remember to take full advantage of that employer matching on your 401k if it's offered. Once you reach age 50 is when you have the catch-up contribution, which is where you can put even more money into your retirement accounts. For a Roth IRA, that catch-up contribution amount is an extra $1,000, and for a 401k, it's an extra $7,500. Also, review your investments regularly to ensure that they align with your retirement goals. By saving consistently and making smart investment choices, you can build a strong retirement fund. Age group, 55 to 64. Average savings, $537,560. Median savings, $185,000. This age range is close to Social Security's definition of full retirement age, which is between ages 65 and 67, depending on your birth year. About 57% of households led by baby boomers have retirement savings. That means that over half of baby boomers are preparing for retirement. Since you are close to retirement age, it's crucial to be maximizing your retirement savings. Try to contribute as much as possible to these accounts. I mentioned earlier about your ability to make catch-up contributions. Anyone in this age group is eligible to do that now. Also, review your investment choices to ensure that they are safe and can provide steady growth. Consider talking to a financial advisor for personalized advice. By saving diligently and making smart investment decisions, you can improve your financial security for your retirement years. Age group 65 to 74. Average savings $609,230. Median savings $200,000. The bulk of these households include someone who is in retirement or is of retirement age. According to the survey, 51% of this age group have retirement accounts. This means that just over half the people in this age group are saving for or living off their retirement funds. If you are in retirement or close to it and do not have a retirement account, it's important to consider your options. Even at this age, it's still possible to start a Roth IRA or a 401k with increased contribution amounts. You could also look into other investment options that can provide steady income, like bonds or dividend-paying stocks. For those of you already in retirement, managing your existing retirement savings is crucial. Make sure your withdrawals are sustainable so your money lasts throughout your retirement years. You can also benefit from Social Security in retirement by receiving a steady monthly income. This money can help cover living expenses, medical costs, and other necessities, making it easier to manage your finances. You might consider talking to a financial advisor to create a plan that balances your income and expenses. This way, you can ensure you have enough funds for your needs and enjoy a comfortable retirement. Age group 75 and up. Average savings $462,410. Median savings $130,000. For those of you age 75 and older, the average and median retirement account values begin to fall. Also, the percentage of people with retirement accounts decreases. According to this survey, just 42% of this age group have retirement accounts. This is because many people start spending their savings to cover their living expenses. If you are 75 or older, it's important to manage your retirement funds carefully. Make sure you withdraw money at a sustainable rate so that your savings will last. Consider setting a budget to track your expenses and make sure you don't overspend. You might also want to explore other sources of income. This can include Social Security benefits, pensions, or even part-time work if you're able. Additionally, consider low-risk investments to preserve your remaining savings. One thing you can do to determine how much you'll need for retirement is by using a retirement calculator. I use the one provided by calculator.net and find it to be pretty good. If the results show that you're behind on your savings, opening a 401k at your employer, along with traditional or even a Roth IRA, can be a great way to start catching up, provided you can begin setting money aside. So now that we know the stats, I wanted to go more in depth on some of these accounts. Let's start with the Roth IRA first. This retirement account is an amazing investment tool, and in 2024, you can contribute and invest up to $7,000 of your post-tax or net income. You aren't allowed to put any more than that into your account, and if you do, you'll get hit with some pretty hefty penalties, which just defeats the purpose of investing. Once you turn age 59 and a half, you can withdraw all the money in that account completely tax-free. That's not just the money you put in it that's tax-free. That includes all the profits too. So depending on when you start investing, you can have decades and decades of compounding growth, which can equate to hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in your account. Now let's talk about the traditional 401k and compare it to a Roth IRA. A 401k is a retirement account from your employer that helps you save for your future and gives you tax benefits. When I say tax deferred, it means that you don't pay taxes on the money you put in right away. You start paying taxes when you withdraw the money after age 59 and a half. With a 401k, you decide the percentage of your income to be taken from each paycheck and put into your account. Many employers match a part of your contribution. For example, if your employer matches dollar for dollar up to 5%, and you contribute 5%, your employer will add that same amount, doubling your savings. Make sure to take advantage of any matching your employer offers. The money in a 401k grows tax-free, so you don't pay taxes until you withdraw it in retirement. I have a few videos going into more details on these accounts that I'll link in the description. Think about your future and what you want it to look like. Investing now can help you achieve your goals and give you the ability to retire comfortably. Start by setting aside a small amount from each paycheck. As you get more comfortable, you can increase your contributions. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. This can make a big difference in your financial future. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.